Well, it has been months since the students were in class with their teachers and their classmates.
Although schools are closed for the rest of the school year in Delaware, officials are working to determine when students will be able to return. WBOC's Cassie Semyon explains.
It's a sign of our times. A local school closed. While it's still May, Governor Carney and Secretary Susan Bunting are looking to the beginning of the new school year and the challenges that lie ahead.
We're going to have to first assess where the students happen to be in their learning journey. And once we know where each one of them happens to be, we will then adjust the curriculum.
Not only were important lessons missed, but now new precautions will have to be put in place to protect students and staff. 3 new working groups set to begin this week will submit proposals to Secretary Bunting on how best to proceed with the reopening of schools.
We will follow very closely what the Division of Public Health and the CDC advise. We have all along. And so we will be continuing to follow the advice of those 2 organizations.
Secretary Bunting made one thing clear today. She said students will return to school in the fall, whether that be in an actual school building or virtually online. Dr. Dan Shelton, superintendent of Capital School District, admits reopening will have its challenges.
Being able to ride on a bus, all touch surfaces, lots of kids all in one space, very close quarters. In a classroom, while we can be a little bit more controlled than on a bus, we're still talking 25 kids in a room, lots of touch surfaces, lots of close contact.
Some people we spoke with today are not comfortable sending kids back to school yet.
I just think it's too soon to make quick decisions. I wouldn't feel comfortable with the vaccination for the children because they don't even know what the vaccination really is and if it's safe enough and if it's even going to work. So right now, until they get it together, I think the children they're more safe at home.
A decision on how and when schools will reopen is expected later this summer. In Dover, Cassie Semyon, WBOC News, Delmarva's news leader.
And we'll have more information on those individual meetings on our website, WBOC.com.